Hi Liberty, I'm Chrissy Green and I'm Everly's mom.
I'm Lauren and Everly's my cousin and I'm in 4th grade.
I'm Colton and I am in 3rd grade.
And Everly's your sister.
And Everly's my sister.
And who's this?
Ryle?
Yes, this is Ryle. This is Everly's little brother and he is a future Liberty student.
Actually, I'm big.
You are big. Well, we are so excited to talk with you today. We are so happy that you guys picked us to help with your penny wars. So Everly is 7 years old and she has a genetic disorder called Frizzle. And Frizzle affects the cells in her brain. The cells in her brain don't want to work right. And so when she was 2 years old, she started having seizures. And overnight, she lost her abilities. So she woke up when she was 2 years old and she couldn't hold her head up. She could no longer hold on to toys in her hands. And she quickly lost her ability to sit and to eat and to crawl and to move. And so Everly, inside her head, she is just like a 7-year-old. She wants to play. She wants to have fun. She likes to play with dolls and princesses. And she just loves people and her family, but she can't move her body anymore. So she's in this wheelchair that holds her head up and her chest up and her legs so that she can sit. She has other equipment like a stander that holds her head and her chest and her legs so she can stand. But Everly on her own cannot move her body.
And then up on the ceiling, she has a lift so then she can get in her wheelchair or in the shower or sometimes.
Or in her bed. Yeah.
Different places.
So Everly needs help with her whole body because she can't do it by herself. And so this was obviously so sad for our family when Everly started to lose her abilities. But even more, it's frustrating for her because she sees a toy she wants to play with and she can't reach out and grab it and play. So a lot of times her siblings or her parents have to come in and help her play with toys. So Everly needs help with everything that she does, and that can be really frustrating. And although this is super sad and hard, we have so much hope and we are so excited because some scientists down in Texas have found a cure for Frizzle. So they have come up with a way to treat Frizzle where it will bring Everly's brain and body back to function in the way it needs to, so that she can move her body on her own again and be able to play on her own and be able to do the activities she wants to do. And so we are so excited that you chose our cause and Everly's situation as part of your Penny Wars. So the money that you guys raise during Penny Wars is going to go directly to, we as Everly's family started a nonprofit to pay for the treatment that will cure her to be developed. So the funds that are raised during Penny Wars will go directly to fund something called manufacturing. So manufacturing is when they create the actual medicine that's gonna go into the Frizzle kids and cure them. So your funds will go directly to the manufacturing of the cure that Everly and her Frizzle friends will be given. Isn't that so cool and exciting? You get to be a part of this amazing story to get Everly treatment, and your funds will directly go to make the treatment that will go in her body and help her. So we are so excited that you picked Everly and our family and that you are a part of this amazing story and journey of Everly getting cured. Good job, Everly.
You want the stuffies?
Thank you. Yeah. We love Everly so much, and she is a sweet girl who loves to play with her siblings and her cousins, and she loves meeting new friends. So if you see us at a Liberty event, you can come up and say, "Hi, Everly," and hold her hand and give her a hug and say hello because she loves meeting new friends. But we are so excited and thankful for all your help. Okay, say bye.
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 Bye, Liberty.